Hello. Today in front of me I have REALME C30 smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps category of it, which is located right over here. As you can see, it is precisely called apps and notifications. Next, you want to go for the default apps, browser app, and at the default browser app, simply select Opera just like so, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser on this device. That is also the second way to do that, directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. In here at the bottom right corner you'll find your avatar, which you want to tap on. Next, tap on this gear icon, scroll page down for a little bit, and in here you'll find the default browser section. By tapping on it, with like pop-up or dialog window appears, which you want to click next on and select Opera and set it as default. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.